Only reason you should not be buying this, let me think. There isn't one actually. So welcome back to the channel guys. Today we are gonna unbox this TWS from boat. This is the Airdopes 402 version. So getting inside the box, this is a package from the board. We actually got it from the company Generic One. So yeah, here's the package we got, and inside the package is a customary note from boat. Yeah, standard process of Airdopes, how to react and use, and here's some small bubble wrap. They didn't even give a box particular. These are the rose gold white color of Airdopes 402 version. So let's unwrap this because no unboxing, because there's no box even. So here's the case of Airdopes 402, and they have given a small packet. This is the Type-C USB charger which you need to charge this power pack battery case. This is the sleekest design I have ever seen and the slimmest one. It holds up to 450 mAh of battery inside it. It doubles up as a power bank for the Airdopes inside it. So the hinge quality is not pretty much good, but it's okay-ish. So it has also got the Type-C right here for fast charging and the LED indicator for your power. So the finish is quite with the combination of matte and glossy finish, and the finish outside is amazing, but inside it's such compromised a bit. So the inner finish is not good. It has the gold plated rings down there inside it, so that you can, when you keep inside the Airdopes, it gets start charging. This is a pretty much bulky case. Not the form factor is not compact, because you have to keep in your pocket, right? So it has got a pretty much bulky compact size. It's bulky, you have to make space in your pocket for this to keep. And the earphones won't even drop. They are like have magnetic same thing inside it, so they don't drop easily, and you are good to go in public with this. So before further going inside the box, if you are enjoying the video, a sub to the channel would be soundful. So let's see what's inside. Airdopes, these are the Bluetooth version 5.2, the latest one on this, and this has also got the CTC, the captive touch controls, not the buttons as your previous models of Airdopes. It has got pretty much ergonomic design, like which can really feel in your ears. Like they have the bend right here, if you can see. They help to use so that they are comfortable in use. So they are also lightweight, and you can just listen to your songs or any content for like 3 or 4 hours. I actually love this color scheme of like rose gold and white mixed, and there are other colors also in this model, like the black one and the blue one. These Airdopes, they carry 45 mAh of battery on each one, and also have a mic on each one. There are 2 mics out here, but they are not noise cancellation mic. It will be okay to talk over calls, video calls, or small voice calls. These earbuds are rated IPX4 rating, which are water resistant, sweat proof. Boat has claimed that if you charge for 5 minutes, it's gonna give you playback time of 1 hour, they have claimed. So let's see how this feel. So here we are going to connect the Airdopes 102 to our device. Let's switch on to the Bluetooth mode right here. Let's get this thing out. Like when I get this thing out, the indicator lights turn up. You can see the minute little indicator lights like here. So they have got Bluetooth 5.0 technology, so that they pair up pretty fast, and you can see they are connecting, and they have been connected successfully at 100% battery. So they have quick connected and quick pair technology, which makes them easier to connect. As soon as you get out of the box, they just connected magic seamlessly. So they have got pretty much all touch tap controls right here. If you can do it touch, it stops. If you do it double touch, it changes the song. So these Airdopes have got 10mm bass drivers. Like they deliver bass at a high quality that you won't even believe. So the voice is good, the treble and vocals of songs are good, but when you turn up to the 100% volume, the sound kind of creaks and like bursts in your ear. It is unbearable. Like you can comfortably listen music at a percentage of 80, but above 80 or listening at the max volume, you're gonna hear the sound creak a lot. And the most important thing, if you are a gamer, you're really looking at the wrong product. This does not have a low latency mode for gamers. It has got only the plain normal traditional latency and no latency or gaming mode. And also they have got 2 mics on each of the Airdopes, but they are not noise cancelling, I said before. So the final verdict, they have overall a good build quality and ergonomic design, but the bass at 100% volume, the voice creaks down a bit, and there is no latency mode for gaming. At this time the price is fixed at 1600 rupees, but you could wait for a sale at 1200 or 1400. They are worth of 1200 to 1400, I think, but not of 1600. At 1600 you can get various TWS gaming one which have also got low latency mode. So I will give the best buy link in the description below. It also depends on your buy, like your daily use. If you're not a gamer, you're a casual listener to music and song, you enjoy bass, you can go for it, you can buy it, will be your best buy. So this was the review of both Airdopes 402. If you have enjoyed the video, hit the like button, share with your friends, comment down below what do you want to see next. As I said, a sub to the channel would be soundful. So this is Amanullah, you're watching How To. I'll catch you in the next one.